If Buckingham Palace could send a postcard, the front would be all gold gates and guards in bearskins, and the back would say, "Wish you were here for 300 years of drama. So here's your quick tour, no ticket needed." Before the palace was a palace, it was a townhouse. In 1703, the Duke of Buckingham built a fancy pad. George III bought it in 1761 for Queen Charlotte, and boom, the Queen's house. Not exactly Instagram ready yet. Fast forward to the 1820s, George IV wants grandeur. Architect John Nash wraps the place in neoclassical swagger, columns, symmetry, that royal look. Money runs wild, Nash gets the boot, but the palace is transforming. 1837, Queen Victoria moves in. Now it's officially the monarch's home. But early reviews? Mixed. Not enough rooms, not enough ceremony, not enough wow. So they add the famous east front, the balcony where every massive royal moment happens. Weddings, jubilees, national highs and lows, right there. During World War II, bombs hit the palace 9 times. The king and queen stayed on purpose, as a statement, "We're in this with you." That turned the building from expensive backdrop into a symbol. And the postcard keeps getting new stamps. The Queen's garden parties trooping, the colour changing of the guard, old rituals meeting modern media. In the 1960s, the palace opens the public galleries. In 1997, the flag debate after Diana's death. In 2022, a new monarch steps onto that balcony, and the story keeps rolling. Here's the thing. Buckingham Palace isn't just where royalty lives. It's a stage set for Britain's public life. Designed for spectacle, tested by crisis, perfectly built for the camera. So if you ever stand at those gates, picture the layers. A townhouse, a project, a symbol, a postcard from power still being written,